Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day. I hope you had a fantastic one. Hope it's been a memorable one. You got to spend time with family. Remember, family, you never know how long we have them, so spend quality time. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy Hanukkah, happy whatever, happy Kwanzaa, happy Festivus for the rest of us. I just hope you have a fantastic holiday season. I wanted to take an opportunity to show you, it's kind of echoey in here, but this is mostly my new studio space. I have free reign down here to do whatever it is I need to do for the channel, and it's kind of set up really nice. I'll give you a quick tour just of this floor. I was going to do the tour of the house, but the wife is like, privacy, so I get it. So I'll show you this area down here. This is our finished basement. Behind me you see what you've already seen, and this is the, I guess option one, but this is a bar. It is pretty cool. Let me give you a different perspective. Let me get behind the camera here. So this is the bar. I imagine getting a couple stools here, some nice stools. It is a nice dark wood with some type of stone top. It is two-tiered. Some mail. But nice little workspace here. It does have a dishwasher, a sink, and my camera gear and bag. But there's some power, some cabinets and stuff, and the shelves, which have been on the channel a lot already. Stopped at Hobby Lobby. Got a couple things to throw up because it was just too bare. There will be a TV here eventually. Some more shelves. And then, which is pretty cool, is a wine cooler and a adult beverage beer cooler slash apple juice cooler if apple juice is your thing. Definitely a cool area. I love this. I'm going to spend a lot of time down here in Mantown for work and for play. Carry around and show you some more of what is down here in my new office, I guess. Let's check it out. So panning left from the bar, we have a huge area. I'm envisioning I have a nice sectional from Lovesac that I purchased back home that will be coming down here. So I have a spot that I can sit, get some shadow boxes up that I will be filling. If we come down here further, obviously we have a cool fireplace. I'm just learning how to play with all the lights and stuff. It's an electric one, has a heater built into it, but it's kind of cool. Real stone, both in the bar and here on the fireplace. There'll be another TV here. Nice wood mantle, real stone. And we got some shelves and some cabinets, which I plan to fill out with some cool stuff. And then if I pan to the left, another set of cabinets and shelves. But this is an area that I envision being my my editing bay. On the left side here, or the right, it's kind of the same, but probably on the left, I'll have my main workstation with my Apple. I get the Mac Studio that'll go in there, and my screens, and then I'll have another desk there for other stuff to do, and then maybe flush out some stuff on the walls, but these lights are dimmable. And then panning back around, you have the main area again. Now, I kind of envision using this area in a multitude of different ways for sets and stuff like that. Maybe some quality videos will be shot by the fire. Hopefully we'll get that done sooner than later. But this is a pretty cool area. It also has, if I pan over here, okay, here behind the barn door is one of my kids' bedrooms, and I'm going to keep that off scene because none of you need to see that. And this is a full bathroom. So not only will I be able to work and play, but I'll have access to a bathroom. I really like the subway tile in the shower, which is pretty cool. But yeah, nice setup, and hope you're having a fantastic holiday. Let's go back outside here. So guys, from Johnson City, Tennessee, hope you're having a phenomenal Christmas here in 2022. I hope that 2023 will be phenomenal for you. And I also want you to remember that although it's a quiet time right now, there will be more stuff coming on the Second Amendment this week, and it's not good. Again, I've been sworn to secrecy, but you'll be seeing it soon enough. And if you want to stay in the know, subscribe to the channel. My goal for 2022 was to hit 600,000 subscribers. It was a tall task, I did hit 576,000, I think, yesterday. So if y'all haven't subscribed, if you're one of that 48%-ish that don't subscribe, it's Merry Christmas time. Maybe if you want to give the channel a gift, hit that subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds out of your life, and it helps the channel show YouTube that this is the place to be for Second Amendment news. Guys and gals, let me know what you think about my man town down here, and I look forward to making much content in here for y'all to consume, and hopefully we get to fight for the Second Amendment for another year. Till we see each other again, guys and gals, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. It's on us to keep our rights that the government thinks that they can take, even though they can't give them. I'll see you on the next one, y'all. Take care. Merry Christmas.